So I'm gonna make some corn chicken wraps, and right now I'm just preparing some garlic. I'm just gonna peel it, crush it, just let it sit there for a minute, and then we'll dice it up. This is Quorn, by the way. It's a meat alternative. This is like a chicken alternative, I guess you could call it. The issue with it is it's not like super meaty. Don't need much oil. It's not like super meaty, so we're gonna do a little trick to make it nice and juicy and meaty. For the wraps as well, I think I'm gonna make a simple slaw to go with it, with some chili mayo. We're gonna let that cook for a minute. And this is the trick to making that corn juicy and meaty. It's gonna get the kettle going. Get these carrots peeled. Now I'm going to leave the top part of the carrot on here because I'm going to grate this carrot. That'll be a pretty decent thing to hold on to rather than grating my fingers off. So I'm not sure how many carrots I'm going to need. So I'm going to start with maybe three decent ones, and we'll see how it looks. Not sponsored, but this peeler from Oxo is very good. Alright, I'm going to take the tips off, the bottoms. And we should probably do our garlic as well. I'm going to throw this in with the chicken. I think this could do with a bit more oil. Gonna let that sit for a couple more minutes. It's nice to get some of this charring on there. I'm gonna grate this carrot. Okay. Right, I think it's about time for our little trick. So I've grabbed a mug here and I'm going to get 2 OXO cubes. It's quite a lot, but there is a lot of chicken. These are vegetable OXO cubes. You can sometimes find vegetarian beef OXO cubes, which are actually pretty good. And I think you could even get vegetarian chicken ones as well. They're sometimes hard to find though, which is a shame. So let's get the OXO cubes in the cup. I like to kind of crush them in the packet like that and then put it in. I'm going to grab a fork and just make a stock from this. I'm going to add it to our Quorn chicken. And we're basically going to cook this until this boils away. It can take a little while, but it ends up with really juicy, meaty Quorn because it absorbs all of that flavour from the OXO cube. Just going to give this a stir every now and again. So sometimes Quorn chunks chicken pieces kind of come attached like that. Once you kind of get them heated up enough, you can usually just break them apart. Alright, we're going to let that simmer like that for a while. Okay, that's plenty. Look at this cabbage that we'll prepare. Now I'm probably going to use a quarter of this or something, maybe not even that. Get rid of the caul. Don't do it like I just did it. You'll end up cutting your hand off. Okay, that's a decent amount. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think we'll do a little bit more. Get some of our mayonnaise in there. I think this needs a bit more mayo. Give it a quick taste. Need salt. I think a bit of white pepper would be good too. Give that another try. And the corn chicken is pretty much done. So you can see all the liquids boiled away, and now they have this like glossy finish of the where the stock's kind of stuck to them. It's become kind of like a sauce. This makes it really meaty and delicious. So we've got our slaw, we've got our pickled onions, we've got our chicken. Let's do some sweet corn too. Look at these. So the reason I didn't put any onions in the slaw is because these were going in. It's tangy and savoury, and sweet corn gives it a bit of sweetness, and the carrot and cabbage. So good.